Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create the photo of yourself with your child version or your younger version using AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the photo looks like and I'm going to show you how we can create this photo. First of all, you can open up gemini.google.com and you can also open the Gemini app. You can open it from your computer or from your phone. And then you're going to use Nano Banana feature on Gemini, shown by this banana icon. You can click on the tools and then choose create images. Okay, and then you're going to upload your photos. And for the photos, I'm going to use the photos of Hermione from Harry Potter. And for the prompt, you can add this prompt. And for the prompt, I'll put it on the description. Okay, and then I'm going to submit the prompt and also the photos, and let's see how it looks. Okay, and this is the result, guys. And that's so cool. And then I'm going to download the photo. If you want to download it, you can click on this download icon. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.